I'm Meg Blaze. I'm an architectural designer for Dana King Design Build Remodeling, and we're here in South City, St. Louis, in this beautiful historic home where we just completed a kitchen renovation.
My name is Mary.
And I'm Dave, and we came to Dana King to update our kitchen because it wasn't functional and it didn't look good.
We worked with these clients previously on a detached garage addition, and they let us know they were looking for a new kitchen. Before our clients bought the house, it was converted into a single family, but the kitchen was still in a really tight space. The problem with their old kitchen was that there was an area where there used to be a staircase that was a really ineffective use of storage. There were a lot of closets and it was very disconnected, and it made the kitchen space very small. So once we were able to determine that we could take out that wall, we renovated that entire space to have some built-in pantry storage with rollouts.
Now we have these great tall cabinets, lots of secret little drawers that are really functional for specific items and good tools for cooking. We have ventilation. Before we had no ventilation, so it was always a battle with the smoke detector.
Everything is just right at my fingertips, and we've got these really great rollout trays in the pantry that I can go get.
So we really tried to maximize every inch of space that we could in this kitchen and just outside the kitchen as well. With relocating the refrigerator, we also gave them a lot more counter space, which they really needed in this kitchen.
I have a lot of drawers for like kid dishes. Just even the dishwasher recommendation, they recommended a dishwasher that would help dry all my plastic items, which was really great.
One of the things I really love about this kitchen renovation is this built-in hutch that we did. And it was done at the same time as the rest of the cabinetry, but it kind of has the historic look that the rest of the home has. The hutch features hidden storage for some of their countertop appliances that they didn't want out all the time.
One of my favorite features of the kitchen is the backsplash. I really love the colors they picked out, that we helped them pick out, as well as the double herringbone pattern. It's one of the first things that people see when they see pictures of the kitchen, and they all really like it.
One special feature is we found some unused toe kick space in a pantry cabinet just outside the kitchen where we were able to hide their robot vacuum.
So throughout this process, our experience working with Dana King was just focused on great communication. It's a challenging process to have a kitchen completely remodeled and to be cooking out of a small space when your house is already tight, but they did a great job keeping us up to date on where they were, what they needed from us, and when the process would be done.
We want to thank Mary and Dave for being such amazing clients and letting us put this beautiful kitchen in their home, and we hope that they enjoy it for many, many years to come.